How to turn on Snapchat camera access. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about turning on the Snapchat camera access on your phone. So now let's get started. If you're using Android, you need to go ahead and open your settings. Then after, scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for Snapchat application. Once you find it, tap on it. Then go to the permissions section, that is between notifications and screen time. Go ahead and tap on camera and make sure that you have allowed the camera permissions to the app. And if you're using iPhone, you can go to settings, then go to iPhone storage, search for Snapchat and toggle the camera to on. After this, Snapchat will have permission to use your camera for snaps and videos. You can also do the same with microphone and other storage permissions and notifications as well. So that's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.